Are you open to scheduling an appointment to discuss how we can help your agency?
Yeah, but what do you guys really do?
We specialize in creating unique AI solutions tailored to various business needs. Our tools and services help automate processes, enhance customer engagement, and improve operational efficiency. Would you like to schedule an appointment to dive deeper into how we can assist your agency?
Yeah, sure.
Great. Could you provide a range of your availability within the next 72 hours?
The easiest way to create an AI appointment setter. That's what I'm going to be showing you in this video. But before we get to that, I'm going to be talking about why I'm building it. Then I'm going to get into how to build it. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you the AI appointment setter actually making a call. So why I'm trying to do an AI appointment setter is because I want to call my leads as soon as possible. The current virtual assistants I worked with weren't good enough. They had accents, they had internet issues, and just I have to like train them and all that stuff that I don't want to do. I want consistency, so I want my AI appointment setter to say the same script multiple times so I can see if that script is working or not. Pricing an AI appointment setter is way cheaper than hiring a human. And I also saw this Forbes study where it says that stats show that the average response time for a lead is almost 47 hours. And this is basically too long. If you just think about it, say if you reach out to a business and it took you 47 hours for them to respond back, in that time, you probably reached out to multiple other businesses and gotten what you were looking from another business. And the same research states that replying to a lead within 5 minutes is 100 times more successful than calling 30 minutes later. So it's best if your salespeople are proactive. So I'm basically creating this AI appointment setter to call my leads within 5 minutes, so that probability of me closing that lead into a paying customer is a lot higher. And now let's get into the build. Once your account is set up, this is how it's going to look like. Once you log in, on the left hand side, go to AI voice agent. At the bottom left, once you click on it, this is what you'll see. You'll see conversations, knowledge, assistance, active tags, numbers, performance, help center, support, settings. So under conversation, you can see all of the conversations that your AI is happening. This is will be over SMS, Instagram DM, and email. Everything will show up over here. Your knowledge base is basically you upload information to the knowledge base about your company or your offer. So if the lead ever asks you anything about your company, the AI can refer to this and reply based off what you have provided it. Now we're going to go to the assistants and click on new assistant. And then from there, we're going to click on voice assistant, US numbers only. Click on that, check that off, create voice assistant. And it's going to come here to the bottom. I'm going to click on configure. So I'm going to change the name over here, AI voice agent. And I'm going to update the information. So this is, I'm changing my internal name over here. So only I can see it, not the customers. What I really like about this is that the prompt already comes with a little template, and all I have to do is just change it a little bit to match my company's needs, and we can get started right away. A few other things I want to show you is if you want to comply to HIPAA, you can just turn this on so it doesn't like collect any data. Ambient noise is background noise during the call. There's multiple options like coffee shop, conventional hall, static noise, call center. I'm gonna keep it at coffee shop. This is useful because sometimes the AI has very low latency makes it better. I'm just gonna go with the default voice, but there are multiple voices that you can choose from. Voices from 11 Labs, DeepGram, and many more. I believe there's over 60 voices. And these are the settings of your AI. So responsiveness is how quickly it responds to the user on the other side. Interruption sensitivity. At one, that means the AI will stop once the lead starts talking, listen to it, and then reply to the lead that way. If it's at like zero, then if the human on the other side is talking, the AI will talk over them. The voice speed is one. The voice temperature is one as well too. For the voice speed, I'm gonna just lower that to 0.9, and I'm also enable back channel, which is enables the agent to use affirmations like or during the conversations, indicating active listening and engagement. So when the human is talking, it'll reply with some affirmations like yeah, or to make the conversation sound more realistic. Now we're going to go to integrations and activate a few things. So first of all, I'm going to sync calendar, and the calendar I want to use is the second one. So I'm just going to delete the first one and click it over here. And I'm going to add a few functions. So what I want to do is the bot, I wanted to check the calendar times. I wanted to obviously book the time and the call. Basically, just all these, just have them. Actually, the last two, you don't really need to set up. For my use case, you don't really need to set up. But if you want it, you can just set it up for yourself. Add. Okay, so now going back to the prompt by clicking configure. I'm going to change the model to ChatGPT 4.0 because that's the latest and best model. And the greeting rules is the AI initiates, which this basically means that AI is going to initiate the conversation. AI begins the conversation with a defined message. So if you want to choose the first the AI speaks, you can just type that here, and then you can do contact initiate. So the AI will remain silent until the contact speaks. We'll go with that one because we're gonna do for this use case. We're gonna call the lead once they fill out a lead form. Okay. Now I'm gonna go into the prompt. So this is what the prompt is. The first is the identity. So what I'm saying is you are Haley from Marketing System Data calling contact first name over the phone to qualify, converse, and book an appointment. Just keep it very simple. I added a company overview. MarketingSystem.io is a company specializing in creating unique AI solutions tailored to various business needs. They offer tools and services that help business automate processes, engage customer engagement, and improve operational efficiency through advanced artificial intelligent technology. I'll just write tools over here. And then on style guard lane, just keep that the default. Response guidelines, keep that default as well too. Over here is something that you'll need to add, which is the scheduling rule and the task. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop this in the description so you guys can download it for free. So basically the task is greet the user and ask them how they heard about us. Ask user if they are an agency or business. Ask the user if they're open to scheduling an appointment. Ask user for a range of availability for scheduling appointments within the next 72 hours. And these are the tasks that the AI will perform. So it's going to check the availability in the provided time range. So if available, inform the user of the option and ask them to select from them. If nearby times are available, inform users about those options. If no time are available as user to select another range, then repeat step 2. If the appointment is selected, it's going to confirm the selected date, time, and time zone with the user just to confirm you want to book the appointment at whatever time they scheduled. Ensure that the chosen time is from the available slots. Okay, so once confirmed, call function book appointment to secure the appointment. If booking details confirm the appointment, inform the user and proceed. If booking is successful, let the user know and ask them if there are any further questions. Answer if possible. If there are no further questions, use the end call to hang up. So that's the prompt. I'm going to copy and paste it into the prompt section of the voice agent. So I've copy and pasted it in the prompt section. I'm going to click on update information so everything is good. And then I'm going to go to is this one. So I'm going to choose a phone number. So I'm just going to click on numbers. I can buy a number for $250, $2.50 per month. I'll just buy it, but I already have a number, so I'm just going to update it. And once that is done, I'm going to go to automations. And then over here, so what I have to add over here is the form. So once the user fills the form, the bot is going to call that user, wait 1 minute, text them that going to give you a call off my personal one for this. Look out for a call from whatever number that you bought. 1 second, and then it's going to call that person. And this is a call counter. So how many times the AI has called that one person. So over here, what I need to get is the assistant ID. And how I'm going to do that is I'm going to go back again to AI voice agent and grab the assistant ID. So how to grab the assistant ID is basically you click on configure again on the bot that you made. And then at the top, right above the name, there's going to be a little copy button. So just click on that and it says ID copied. And then just basically go back to automations. And I'm going to give you this in the description below as well too, so you guys can download it for free and save some time. Make an outbound call. So click on that. And then save action, save, and then test the workflow. So what I'm going to do is click on test workflow, click on that, select my testing contact, and then run the test. As you see, I'm getting a call.
You have a new lead. Press any.
Hello.
Hi there. Hi, this is Haley from Marketing System. How did you hear about us?
Hi, I heard about you guys through a Facebook ad.
Great to hear that. Are you an agency or a business?
I'm an agency.
Awesome. Are you open to scheduling an appointment to discuss how we can help your agency?
Yeah, but what do you guys really do?
We specialize in creating unique AI solutions tailored to various business needs. Our tools and services help automate processes, enhance customer engagement, and improve operational efficiency. Would you like to schedule an appointment to dive deeper into how we can assist your agency?
Yeah, sure.
Great. Could you provide a range of your availability within the next 72 hours?
Yeah, does tomorrow between 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. work?
1 second while I check our calendar for availability. We have several slots available tomorrow between 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. How about 11:30 a.m. or 1 p.m.? Which one works best for you?
Let's do the second one.
Just to confirm, you want to book the appointment tomorrow at 1 p.m., right?
Correct.
Let me block that time off for you. 1 second. Your appointment is confirmed for tomorrow at 1 p.m. Is there anything else you need help with?
No, that's everything. Thank you. Bye. See, so I also got a notification. You can't see it, but I'll share a screen share or a screenshot of the current confirmed booked appointment email that I received. So it sounded realistic. It called me, qualified me, asked for my availability, and booked me into the calendar. So it did exactly what we wanted it to do. So nice. If you don't want to build an appointment setter yourself, I'm going to leave a form below that you can fill out, and I will reach out to you personally to see how I can help you build your custom solution. Thank you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe.